Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn about our new chapter, patterns. What are the patterns? In this video, we are going to know about square numbers, triangular numbers, and we are going to solve problems based on it. So first of all, let's learn what are the square numbers. Now, students, numbers which we can put in a square arrangement are called square numbers. Square numbers are what? Numbers which we can put in square arrangement. Such numbers are called square numbers. So what is the square arrangement? For example, look at the number 4. 4, 1, 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and we can arrange this 1 in square. 1 multiplied by 1. Now, for 4 we have to multiply 2 into 2, then we get 4. So how can we present this in square arrangement? Like this. We can present it in square arrangement. Here we have 2 squares, and here also we have 2 squares in vertical and horizontal. So 2 by 2 is equal to 4. Now we can arrange number 9 in square also. Like this. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 in vertical and horizontal way. So can we get square? So 3 by 3 is equal to 9. Multiplying any number by itself, we can get square numbers. You can observe this. When we multiply a number by itself, we can get a square numbers. By multiplying any number, we can get it square numbers. For example, 5 multiplied by 5, we can get a square number 25. So 25 is the square number. Multiplying a number by itself, we can get such type of many square numbers. And what is a triangular number now? Any of the series, triangular numbers are the numbers that any of the series of numbers that are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, etc. obtained by continuing summation of the natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. These are the natural numbers. When we add these natural numbers like this, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to, the sum here is 6. Again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, the sum we get here is 10. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, the sum here we get is 15. So such type of numbers which are obtained by continuing summation of the natural numbers, that numbers are called triangular numbers. We can arrange them in triangular form. Like, let's get 3 number. Here we can arrange it in triangular form. When we join these dots, we find triangle here. Let's look to the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also we can find a triangle from 6. Look here. Such numbers are called triangular numbers. There is a formula to find the triangular numbers. The formula is n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. For example, here n is the natural number. For example, let's take a 5. 5 is a natural number. 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So 5 plus 1, let's solve first of all. Bracket 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 is a 6 divided by 2. Now we have to multiply this. 5 6 are 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 15s are 30. So 15 is the triangular number. Here we get, instead of doing this addition, we can easily obtain triangular numbers by using this formula. N multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. It is useful to you by solving questions based on it. So these are the triangular and square numbers. The definition of square number is numbers which we can put in square arrangement are called square numbers, and any of the series of numbers like 1, 6, 10, 15, etc. are obtained by continuing summation of the natural numbers are called triangular numbers. Here I give you the list of square numbers and triangular numbers. So first of all, let's write square numbers up to 10. Square numbers. So first square number is 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Second one is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. When we multiply number by itself, we can get a square numbers. Now third one is 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Fourth one is 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Fifth one is 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Sixth one is 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. Seventh one is 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. These are the square numbers which on the right side of is equal to sign. These are the square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. These numbers are called square numbers which we can put in square arrangement. 8 multiplied by 8, it is a 64. Then ninth one is 9 multiplied by 9, it is a 81. And 10th one is 10 multiplied by 10, we can get 100. 11th one is 11 multiplied by 11, it is a 121. 12th one is 12 multiplied by 12, it is a 144. These numbers are called square numbers. Now let's search. In such way you can write a list of square numbers. Now let's write the list of triangular numbers. First triangular number is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then second one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Third one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, we can get 10. Fourth one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, we can get 15. Fifth one is, now I show you how to draw triangular numbers or how to obtain triangular numbers by using formula. Formula is n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So here n is 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So the answer here is 5 into 6 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, it's a 15. So now let's count the sixth number. N, let's use this formula. N into n plus 1. 6 into n plus 1 means 6 plus 1, it's a 7 divided by 2. 42, 6 sevens are 42 divided by 2, it's a 21. Then seventh one is 7 into 8 divided by 2. Let's take next number. 8 sevens are 56 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 eights are 16. So 28 is the next triangular number. Such way you can obtain the triangular numbers. Look here, these are the examples of surrounding where we can find the triangular and square numbers. In stacked walls or pipes we can find such type of triangular number. You can see this type of utensils or arrangement in your home also. Your mother do this arrangement in the kitchen. Then on chessboard we can find square numbers. In next video we are going to solve the questions on it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you understand about triangular numbers and square numbers.